Hey everyone, László's here, and today I'm going to show you how to quickly generate random values. This is the quickest way to generate simple data in case you need it for testing purposes or to share your file without the actual data in it. I am going to show you different methods, including a way where the generated number won't repeat itself. The first method is the rand function. This is the simplest function to use. Just type in equals rand, open bracket, close bracket and press enter. You get a random decimal number between 0 and 1. You can multiply it as much as you need. Be aware that every time the sheet is refreshed, the formula is recalculated and you get different numbers. Copy and paste wherever you want, and also you can format it to a percentage or currency if that is what you need. In case you don't want your data changing every time, you can select the whole range and press Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V, or right-click onto the data, copy and paste values. This way the formula behind your values will be taken and hardcode the numbers. The second method is the rand between function. This is great if you need random numbers between two numbers. Just type in equal rand between, open bracket, and first you need to give the bottom number. Let's have it 100 and the top number should be 500. Close bracket and press enter. Again, you can copy it as many times as you need. Don't forget, if you press F9 or the sheet is refreshed, you will get new numbers. Use the method shown prior to avoid that. Also, you can combine it with the rand function if you need decimals, not whole numbers. The third option is rand array function. This is available only in the Office 365 or Excel for web. This function will not only give you a random number back to you, but you already can give how many rows and columns you want it to be multiplied. You can define the bottom and the top, and also if you want decimals or an integer, such as whole number. If you choose false, it will be decimal, with true, you will have whole numbers. So, if I want to have my numbers without duplicates, one way to avoid duplicate values is to combine it with unique function. This will make sure that my rand array function gives me only unique values. This is a very simple way to avoid repetition, however sometimes might cause spell errors. This is caused by the unique function which resize our rand array function for Excel. If you just want to use the numbers given, you can simply copy and paste it. It is possible to avoid the spell error with a different function. It is called sequence. Now we want to have a sequence of 10 numbers starting from 1 and incrementing by 2. To put our numbers into random order, we need to combine this with sort by. It sorts the array what we want, which in this case is our sequence array, by a different array. And that array will be the rand array function, and we have to make sure to have the same number of rows as we gave earlier for the sequence. Close the brackets and press enter. We will be ending up sorting our numbers in a randomly generated order. This example should help you generating random values in Excel. If you like the video, share the video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe button.